Hi, welcome to this lesson on Analytical Geometry, Tangents to Circles, Part 1. Let's have a look at question 5. Given the points P, 2, -4, on the circle x minus 4 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared equals 5, we want to find the equation of the tangent at the point P. So first of all, I always like to just check if I'm given information, does it make sense? If I substitute that into here, 2 minus 4 for x, and then -4 plus 5 for y, I'm going to have 2 minus 4 is -2 all squared, and -4 plus 5 is 1 all squared. -2 all squared is 4, plus 1 squared is 1, is 5. Okay, so that point definitely lies on that circle. Here we're going to have a center point of 4 and -5. So where's that going to be here on the circle? So 4, -5 is somewhere over here. No, it is not, all right, because that'll be a -4 then. So this should be 4 and -5. There we go. Okay, so that makes sense to be the center of the circle here. C being 4, -5. And then 2, -4 is somewhere over here. Okay, no. Let's make it a bit closer because -4 is close to -5. So let's put it over here. So here's the point P, 2, -4. Okay, that's a point on the circle. So your circle roughly is going to look something like that. Okay, so at the point P, based off this rough diagram, it looks like the tangent line should be positive, the gradient, and the y-intercept looks like it's going to be negative. So that's our geometrical intuition, but let's confirm that using the algebraic approach. So again, I'm going to look at my gradient of my radius, which is the line PC. So from 2 to 4 is 2 units across, and from -4 to -5 is 1 unit down. And again, it's a negative gradient because it's going from left to right downwards. So that gradient is -1/2. Okay, so therefore, we know that the gradient of the tangent line must be equal to +2, because 2 times -1/2 is -1. Okay, so again, the gradient being 2 of the radius makes sense based on the geometrical interpretation that we've got up here. So now we've got the tangent line being y equals 2x plus c, and I need to substitute the point of contact P to -4. So y is -4, y is 2, x is 2 plus c. So I'm going to have -4 equals 2 times 2 is 4 plus c, and then I subtract 4 on both sides, so I get c equals -8. And again, that makes sense. Okay, not perfect because of the rough diagram, it should be a bit lower here, but intuitively, based on the diagram, we expected a negative c value. So I get y equals 2x minus 8 as the equation of the tangent line at the point P based on this given circle. All right, so it's also good to get the terminology correct when you say it. Awesome, I'll see you in the next one.